amazing how stumped I've gotten today as far as getting a gobbler to come in. It's weird, their season here in Oregon opens up the 15th of April. So pretty late in comparison to a lot of states, but for some reason it's like they haven't really even started breeding yet. So the hens are all wandering all by themselves, and they're not acting like they have nests or anything like that. So I don't know what the deal is. We called in a few birds today. Like I say, my dad killed one and my uncle's gotten a couple of shots. I just haven't had the right gobbler come by, so it's the evening. We're back at the original spot we started at, so had some activity. Had 4 jakes walk by me at 50 yards, but they were tiny. I didn't want to shoot one of those, so fingers crossed. We'll see what happens. Well, we are 2 for 3 today. There's one of the killers right there. How you feel about yourself, Dad?
Hey, I'm excited to be alive today. Glorious day in the turkey woods, and it took us a little longer than it did last year. Last year we were done at like 6:42, and this year we're done at like 6:42 in the evening.
I was gonna say, it may look like the morning, but it's getting darker on us. It took all day for this one to take place. I finally got my shot at a turkey, and he is he's just a little guy here, but let me get the tripod all set up so I can show him off to you real quick. So here he is. Sorry, trying to self-film. So that is my 2021 little Jake. It's my first bird. Hey, you know, especially on the first one, I just like having turkey meat in the freezer for the year, and I also like killing a bird on opening day. So no shame here. It was pretty fun. My uncle ended up getting to shoot at the second one, and ended up just grazing him, unfortunately, but we had a blast. So thanks for hanging with us, and I hope you have equal success out in the turkey woods. Have a good day.
This hunt is sponsored by Jim Weaver Pencil Art, pencil wildlife drawings, featuring epic scenes in unique and beautiful ways. Recreate your trophy. Options in color or black and white. Immortalize your pet. Capture special moments for a lifetime. Contact Jim today to order your masterpiece at jimweaverpencilart.com.